Tell me if this sounds like you. Why should I care about paying off my credit cards? I can barely buy food. Or maybe nothing's going to change anytime soon. I am doing the best that I can. And if that's you or similar, I want you to continue watching, please. I hear you and I do understand. It is hard. I've been there, I've lived there, and I know that you're doing your best. Maybe nobody else is going to tell you, but I am proud of you for that. If me, a total stranger, is proud of you, why aren't you proud of yourself? You're doing the best that you can with the knowledge and the skills that you currently have. Now stick with me after I say this, okay? Let's raise your knowledge and skill level so that your best is going to be better, more comfortable, more doable, less stressful. I invite you to open your perspective. I want a less stressful life for you. So this is the first step to shifting your mindset. And when you shift your mindset, you can change your life. When you know better, you can do better, and I am going to teach you how to do better. If your problem is overspending, you can fix that. If your problem is low income, you can raise that. Let's do that. Let's take the wheel on our lives, take control, and choose to improve. So you cannot personally control the cost of eggs, right? But you can control your mindset, your habits, and your goals. And those three things are going to take you very far. You can do this, and if you follow along, I'm going to teach you how I personally did it as well. I want you to know that it's possible, you are capable, and it is worth it, okay? You just have to decide to do it. So go watch my videos, follow me, check out my bio for different resources that can help you. Let's take it one step at a time, one day at a time. You got this, friend. I am here for you.